Hey guys, welcome to code tutorial. Now what I am saying that go to the official website. Inside the docs you will see how you can install the Angular. So first you need to install the Node.js and npm for the same. So let us go to the official website of Node.js. Download it from here and just install it. Once you install Node.js, your Node.js and npm both of the things will get installed. Okay, and you just need to follow the simple steps that it is saying. No need to do anything, any additional thing. And once it get installed, you are going to see that is it installed or not. So for that we will check the things at the command prompt. Let it get finished first. All right, so this one is installed. Now we'll go to command prompt, type the commands. So you can see Node.js is installed and npm is installed. Okay, we are getting the versions. Now we will go to this command. This is the command to install Angular CLI. Copy this and paste it over here, and this will install your Angular CLI. Okay, keep patience if it takes some time. Okay, and after that we need to set the execution policy, because by default it is not allowed, so your application will not run. Okay, for that what we will do, once it will get installed, then we will open our PowerShell window, and the next command that is giving on the official website. Yeah, the second command, we'll copy that one, go to our PowerShell window. Okay, and we will paste that particular command in our PowerShell window. Okay, so let's follow the steps. This is the execution policy, all the things are there we need to follow, and all these things means the overall description about the things, what is execution policy, how and what are the parameters you can use for the same. Okay, so we can set it by the PowerShell window only. All right, if you want you can read this complete description, and we will set the execution policy. So open, paste the given command, and press enter, and you need to press A for yes to all. So press A when it asks you to press some keys. Okay, let us see. I paste Y first, then I again execute it, and then yeah, I pressed Y. Now I will execute it again, and then I will press A, not directly A. Again I need to run the command, and then I will press A. Okay, so my execution policy will get changed. Now in order to create the new Angular application, you are going to run the command ng new myapp. So over here the IDE I am going to use is VS Code. So in any folder where I want to create my application, suppose over here Angular videos, I will right click and open it with the code, that is my VS Code. So it will open the VS Code for me. Alright, and from VS Code what I will do, I will open the terminal. So just go to the terminal, click on new terminal, and you can see in the downside there is a window of terminal, and over here you need to write that command, that is ng new, and what is the name you want to give for your application, and press enter. Now it will ask you some questions, basically two questions it will ask you. First, which type of CSS you want to use. Okay, so for that we are going to use CSS. Okay, and this process will take time. Okay, for the normal system it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. And here you need to press N. By mistake I pressed Y, but you need to press N over here. Okay, means do you want to enable server side rendering? No, as of now we don't want, so I pressed Y. Again I am saying you need to press N. Okay, and you can see your packages are installing, and at the end they will install successfully. So your new app is created. Now in the next lecture we will see how we can run the application and how we can work on that. All right, thank you.